Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's quickly learn what is SEO and I will explain you what is SEO in a very simple language and it's going to be super simple. Now before learning what is SEO, I will give you some of the key things which are very much important to know. Now, if you want to search for something, what you will be doing, you will be coming to the Google search page and then in this particular search bar, you will start entering for the key terms which are very much important. For example, if you want to buy iPhone 16 Pro Max, you will be searching iPhone 16 Pro Max so that you can see where you can find or where you can buy the iPhone. Now maybe you want to listen to Michael Jackson songs. It can be MP3 or maybe from the YouTube. You will be searching like Michael Jackson songs. And maybe you want to learn what is digital marketing. So you will enter the term what is digital marketing. Alright, so the main important thing which I would like to let you know right here is the search bar which you are seeing right here can be called as Google search engine, and the text that we are entering here can be called as keywords. So two things that you have learned, one is search engine and the second one is keywords. Now quickly I want to open a new tab and I want to navigate to Google, and in the Google I want to search wedding photography images. So let me take the copy of the name and then coming back to Google, I want to paste it right here and then I want to click on enter. Now when we search for wedding photography images, Google pulled all the wedding photography images and shown us so that we will have a look at all the different wedding photography images. Now here what I would like to let you know is that the page that we are seeing right here can be called as SERP, which means search engine results page. So three things that we have learned so far. One is search engine and the second one is keywords and the third one is the name of this particular page can be called as search engine results page. I hope you are very much clear so far. Now here let's see some of the key things. Now in the search engine results page we can find the images. When I search for wedding photography images, all the images of wedding photography has been popped up. The same way when we search for wedding photography tips video, all the videos that are related to wedding photography tips will be popped up, which means in the search engine results page we can even search for different videos. And also I want to quickly navigate to the next tab, and here when I search for wedding photography news, I can see all the recent news related to wedding photography. In the same way, when we navigate to the next tab, when I search wedding photography near me, based on my Google map location, it shows all the wedding photographies that are near me, out of which I can choose any one which I really like based on maybe the rating. I can get into the particular wedding photography and I can reach out to them. Now quickly I want to navigate to the next tab, and when I search for wedding photography in the city name Hyderabad, I pulled all the websites or maybe the services related to wedding photography in Hyderabad, out of which I can choose any one of the website which I really like, maybe the top one, and I can give a call to them to know much more about the wedding photography. So all you have to remember that is on the Google search engine results page, we can find images, we can find videos, we can find news, we can find the map results, and finally we can even find the shopping results. When I say shopping results, maybe when we search for wedding photography lighting kit, let me take the copy of it and then let me open a new tab, and here I want to search for wedding photography lighting kit and then I want to click on enter. It pulls all the lighting kits that are available in the market, where we can see Amazon, Flipkart, Hyphen, Digiphoto and few other websites that sells wedding photography lighting kits. So we can search for images, videos, links, news, maps, services and products in the Google search engine results page. Now you understand what is the search engine and what do we mean by keywords and what can be called SERP, search engine results page, and also we have learned what can be found on the search engine results page. Now it is the time for us to learn about SEO. Now when it comes to the abbreviation, the full form of SEO is search engine optimization. What does it mean? Quickly I want to navigate to the Chrome browser, and here I want to search for clickandcapturestudio.com. Now what is the main perspective for us to create the Click and Capture Studio? Which means when we create this particular website, we want this website to be popped on the top of the Google search engine page when someone clicks for wedding photography or model photography or product photography. Now in order for our website to be popped up in top of Google search engine results page, what we have to do? First thing, we have to design the website in the most beautiful way. It can be compatible with mobile devices, tablets, and even on the desktop and laptop. The second thing, which is very much important, is the content which we are placing on this particular website. Which means when our content is related to wedding photography, model photography, or product photography, when someone searches for the keyword wedding photography near me, or model photography near me, or product photography near me, what Google will do? Google will search for the websites that has the exact keywords, or maybe the keywords that related to wedding photography, model photography, and product photography, and it takes that website and keeps on the very top of the Google search engine results page. Now when someone search for wedding photography near me, and if our website pops up on the very top of the Google, the users will have much more chance to click on our website, and the chances for the users to give a call to us will be very much high, and in that way we can get much more leads by keeping our website on the top of the Google search engine results page. So I hope you understand what exactly is SEO, and in the next videos I will explain you the in-depth details of all the other topics. So please continue watching my digital marketing classes, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much, guys.